What's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at how to get a split screen on your Galaxy Android phone. So right now I have Microsoft Chrome open, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down on the lower left hand side where you have those three little vertical bars, and I'm going to press that, and you'll see that there's a couple of windows open that I can kind of scroll through. What I want to do, if I want to create the split screen, I'm going to click the Chrome logo, click Open in Split Screen View, and that's going to be on top, and then I can go ahead and choose the other one that I want to be the one that's on the bottom. So now if I want to switch it to horizontal view, it'll still stay in the horizontal view. And with the little bar in the middle, you can actually change which one takes up more real estate. Okay, so if I wanted to switch the top and the bottom, I can go ahead and close that. Okay, come back to YouTube. Click the YouTube logo. Oh, let me try that again. I'm going to click that YouTube logo to get this to come up. Open in split screen. Now YouTube is on top and Microsoft is on the bottom, and it will still work this way horizontally. Okay? Any questions and comments? Leave it on down below.